Hi, hey guys, Jerry from Showtime Audio. Just wanted to do the final walkthrough on the 2023 Range Rover HSE. So it's got the Escort redline system. So we have 3 heads on the front. So RX, TX, and RX. Come around the back here. So on the rear, we have an RX and a TX. But we built these custom housings, right? They're acrylic housings because we don't want to take away from the line of the car. Everything, if you notice, is just really long and straight. So we didn't want to have these bumps for the sensors. So we build these acrylic housings, which make it look as if it's just a design element, like another trim piece on the vehicle itself. And so on the inside, the client opted for the display. So we mount the display up here so it's right by the rearview mirror, so you can see everything that's going on. You have your arrows so that you know where the attack is coming from, the front or from the back. And then as far as the controller goes, we built this little bracket which puts it here, so it's easy to get to the volume button, the mute button, all your mark locations, everything that you need for the system itself. You can also obviously turn it off from here if you needed to. So if you're interested in this or any other of our services, please give us a text at 773-489-7469. Thanks a lot for watching.